Hello everyone, welcome back again in another video. In this tutorial series, we are learning the Tkinter module of Python to make GUI application, and in this video we will be saying about the some entry widget. So in the previous topic we have covered about the dialog box of your message box, and we seen that how it worked in the previous video, all the functionalities of and all the methods of your message box. And keep watching the video, hit the like button, do subscribe channel and watch the whole tutorial. So in this video we will be discovering about the entry widget into the Tkinter module. So let me give you a recap of your previous video, which was the video of your message box and pop-up message box. So first of all, what we did in the previous video, so we first of all import the library Tkinter, and second the module message box from the library Tkinter, and then we created the basic window and given a title and a geometry size of a window. So then came here and we created a button, given a text to click, and given a functionality means command as dialog, means by clicking over that button we will be executing this part of your function from here to here. And the next we created a label to show label tag, means to show a text into your window. And next what we did, we created a function, and in this function we use some methods of your message box module, so like ask retry function, ask retry method, and ask question method and all. And what we had given here, we have created a variable here and we saved the boolean value, that what it returns, basically the what does its method return, like 1 or 0. So if it will return 1, like through using the conditional statement, we into the value 1 and 0 is stored into the variable var. And if the variable if the value stored in the var variable is 1, then we will be showing an info and configuring or changing the text offer that level widget to hello. And if the value is not 1, whether it is 0 and anything, so we will be displaying an error, like the first argument is the title of that box and the second argument is the information. Okay, so in this video we have taken a quick recap of our previous video, and we will be seeing about the entry widget. So first of all, let me create a Python file of your video number 11. Okay, so this is video number 11, and in this video we will be covering about the entries. So let me copy the basic things from here. I'm copying it, you can copy it too, or you can write. Okay, but I'm copying here. So I'm writing the window dot main loop. Okay, we are creating the main loop file. Main loop file basically rolls all the stuff into your window again and again. So when you run it, you see the basic window of your GUI. So what we are going to do, let me give you some basic information and some basic or the knowledgeable information about the entry widget. So entry widget provides a single line input. Basically you can write a single block. You get a single block into your GUI window, and in that field, in an application where the program can gather entries from the user, like when you press the 1, then how it will be counted from your external devices like keyboard and mouse. So these things will be counted using the entry widget into your application. When you enter 1, then it will be counted as 1 over there. So this type of things could be happen through the entry widget. And an entry object is created by specifying the name of its parent container. Okay, so such as a window or frame name, and options as argument to an entry. So there's a constructor basically. So each option is specified as an option is equal to value pair, that I have already been told you about this thing. So popular options are some like border, BG stands for background, font, highlight, color, and background, show, state, width, basically these are some. Let me give you the quick recap of set method. I will be telling you into the next couple minutes. So that the state means you can disable or enable or make into the normal state of any button or anything into any widget, into like some maximum widget into your Tkinter module. So like give width and the show options too. So we will be seeing these things. So first of all, There are multiple widgets can be grouped in frame, like already made a video, especially video for frames. So for better positioning, a frame object is created basically by specifying the name of the window to a frame constructor. So the frame's name can then be specified as the first argument to the widget constructor. To identify it is that widget container. So when actually adding widget to the frame, you can specify which side to pack them into the frame. Like you can pack it on top, bottom, left, or right, wherever you want. And so typically an entry widget will appear alongside a label describing the type of input expected there from the user. So or alongside a button widget that the user can click to perform some actions on the data so they have entered. So positioning in a frame is ideal. So data currently entered into an entry widget can be retrieved by the program using that widget using the get method. So basically get is a type of method using through you will get the values what you inserted into the entry widget. So this is all what I want to tell you. So first of all, let me what I'm going to do. I have created the title. Let me change the title here. So this is basically entry box. So entry box, entry is a one-liner box. Let me revise you again and again. Entry is a type of one-liner. So let me create, I'm using frame here. So basically, like, because frame are really very necessary into your window, that's why I'm recapping the frame now. So giving a basic base window of your application, that will be window, like your frame is also situated over your window, so that's why I'm giving the first argument as window. So I'm not passing anything here else here. So next will be the entry widget that I already told you. So entry here, and okay, what I'm doing, yeah, entry. So entry is a type of widget, okay, and into the arguments I am passing frame. Why? Because I am setting up the frame into the, sorry, I am placing the entry into the frame and frame into the window. So let me give you recap from here. Like I'm opening paint here, so that's I could revising more well. So like this is a box. So this is your what it is, this is your window. So this is your basically window. So this is your window here, and this is your window, and in this window we are creating a frame. Like this is a type of frame, okay, this is a frame and frame like this, and in this frame I am creating an entry. So like this is an entry. So this type of structure I'm going to make. This is outer box, your whole window, and this is your basic frame, and this is your entry widget. So entry widget is inside your frame and frame is inside your basic window. So this is what I had what I did here. Your entry is in your frame and your frame is in your window. So this is what I had created here. And the next what I am going to do, I am creating a button here. So you can name the variable any whatever do you want. So through the button I am pressing that button into that frame, and the next argument I am going to give like the text of your button, like I am going to give it a enter name, okay, enter name here. And next I want to give the variable, so next argument I want to give to the button will be command, okay. So the command that what it will execute, so command will be like dialog. I want to name it again, so dialog. So I am creating a function over there. So okay, so def dialog creating function, and writing the things into the function. Like I want to show a info, okay, I want to show a info that what he has written into that box. So I'm giving a first argument as greeting, okay, is the type of greeting, and the second argument welcome. So writing into the double quotes welcome. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the get method to get the value from your entry widget. So what the value you had written into your entry widget. So how I will be doing? I will be doing using the Python string concatenation method using the plus operator. Okay, so I'm going to do like entry dot, see the dot using the variable and the get method. So this happens, and what do you think, it will work or not? No, because I had not packed anything here else. So let me pack first. Like I'm going to pack the button first, and packing the button and giving the side as, I'm going to place it at the right side of the window and giving a pad x. Let me give a pad x also. So you can give the pad x as the value of 5. Like I want to give a 5 here. So I'm going to pack the entry widget. So entry dot pack, and into the augment I am going to place it at the left side of your button. So into side I'm going to make it at left, and going to pack the frame 2, and to the frame dot pack, and giving at the pad x is equal to, I'm only giving to the pad x and pad y. So the pad x will be 20 and the pad y will be basically 22. Okay, so whenever you run this program you will get the structure like this, and when you will write in the, like my name is Rajneesh, so by click on enter name, yeah, here is written the welcome Rajneesh. Let me give you an space of 1 character here, so like this, and you will run it again. Here you can see again writing my name. So if you want that I could take your name and from your comment, so comment below. I could use name in using on the place of my name and calling your name again and again. So first of all into your video, so write your name into the comment that I could get your name from there. So I'm going to write the name and enter name. Yeah, it's writing there into the message box. So and the next thing I want to do, if I want to create a I want to show a label tag here. So basically I'm creating a label tag, and label tag first I'm creating into the frame, and text I want to give nothing as well, and going to pack the label tag. Okay, place it anywhere, and then we will be doing label dot configure, and what we will be doing here, we will be doing like entry dot get method, and we will run the program. And what the else thing you will be writing, and enter name, by clicking OK, you have the error. The error, do you know why the error came? So error is coming because, so why the error is coming? So error is coming because, yeah, we did the same. Let me run it again. Okay, the error came again. Let me see what the error is. So the error is coming because we are placing the text at the position of text there. So yeah, now it will run when I will press the values and enter name, and okay, yeah, text there. So the problem came because we are giving the values to the text of configuring the text into your label tag, and we are just we are just getting the function, not placing on the text value of your label widget. So this is what all about this video. We had seen the enter widget, and in the next video we will be seeing about the school form. We will be seeing a little project, you will configure it as the exercise. This will be a small exercise, and we will be take it as your school form, and in that form we will be extracting the records of your student from the entry widget, and using the buttons and some more options. And if you want to do the exercise, then stay tuned with the video, stay tuned the playlist and the channel too. Hit the like button to subscribe channel, and if you want that your name should be announced into the video or into taking as the arguments and the variables too, so just write your name into the comment that I could take it into my video. So this is all about the video, and we will be recapping this video into the next upcoming video that you will be inserting more about this video. So